Variables store one piece of information, but sometimes we need to store many things together. Python gives us 4 powerful containers. Lists store ordered items. Dictionaries store key-value pairs. Sets store unique items. Tuples store fixed collections. Let's explore each one. A list is like a backpack. You can put many items inside. The order matters. Every item has a position called an index. The first item is index 0. We can ask Python for a specific item. Index 1 means the second item. Python finds banana and prints it. Append adds a new item to the end. Fruits remove banana. Remove deletes an item. Fruits.sort. Sort arranges items in order. Fruits.count apple. Count tells us how many times an item appears. A dictionary stores information using keys and values. A key is like a label. A value is the information attached to that label. Instead of using positions, dictionaries use keys. Python searches for the key and returns its value. Player level equals 5. This adds a new key and value. Player.keys. Keys shows all labels. Player.values. Values shows all stored information. Player.items. Items shows keys and values together. A set only keeps unique items. Duplicates automatically disappear. Fruits.add grape. Add places a new item into the set. Fruits remove apple. Remove deletes an item. Print banana in fruits. Output is true. In checks whether an item exists. A tuple is similar to a list, but once created, it cannot be changed. It is locked and protected. We can read items from a tuple, but we cannot add or remove items. Treasure, index, diamond. Index finds an item's position. Treasured, count, gold. Count tells how many times an item appears. Use a list when order matters. Use a dictionary when information has labels. Use a set when duplicates should not exist. Use a tuple when values should never change. Captain Byte is searching for treasure. His pirate profile is stored in a dictionary. His backpack items are stored in a list. The secret treasure coordinates are stored in a tuple because they should never change. As he explores the island, every treasure goes into a set so duplicates are automatically ignored. The beach is visited twice, but the gold coin appears only once in the set. He finds a diamond in the cave and a ruby inside the volcano. Meanwhile, a sneaky monkey steals his banana. After the adventure, Python shows his updated backpack, unique treasures, and total gold. In one funny program, lists, dictionaries, sets, and tuples all work together.